Today, we're tackling something truly heartwarming, the top 5 examples of how Islam respects women. And number 1 will shock you to the core. We'll be citing straight from the classics, Sharia law, the Quran, and those oh-so-reliable hadiths, so no one can say it's fake misinterpretation. Number 5. Underage marriage in Islamic Sharia law, because who needs childhood anyway? Oh, what a beautiful tradition. In Sharia law, inspired by the Prophet Muhammad himself, you can marry off little girls as young as 6. Take Aisha, for example, in Sahih al-Bukhari, Book 7, Volume 62, Hadith 88. She was married to Muhammad at 6, and the marriage was consummated when she was a whopping 9. How respectful is that? Kipping right over dolls and playgrounds, straight to wifely duties. Because nothing screams women's rights like robbing a kid of her innocence before she even hits puberty. Bravo, Islam, truly ahead of its time in the creepy uncle department. Number 4. Light beating for the disobedient wife. Ladies, ever feel like arguing with your hubby? Well, think again. According to Quran 4:34, if a woman doesn't listen to her man, he can start with advice, then abandon her in bed, and if that doesn't work, bam! A light beating is totally on the table. Because nothing says respect like using your fists to guide her back in line. Some Muslim scholars say it's not abuse, it's discipline. How thoughtful of Islam to give men this handy toolkit of beating wife for marital harmony. Number 3. Polygamy up to 4 wives. Sharing is caring, right? Why settle for one wife when you can collect them like Pokemon cards? Quran 4:3 allows men to marry up to 4 women at once, so those poor ladies don't get bored while hubby's out working, banging the other 3. Number 2, triple talaq divorce. Because commitment is overrated. Feeling done with your wife? No problem. Just utter talaq 3 times and poof. She's divorced on the spot. No courts, no alimony, no second thoughts required. It's that easy under Sharia. How respectful to let men dump their wives like yesterday's trash with 0 repercussions, while the woman scrambles for survival. Because women totally deserve the instability of knowing their marriage can end faster than a bad Tinder date. Islam's got your back, guys, literally just your back, not hers. And the number 1 example of ultimate respect. No means yes in the bedroom. Topping our list, women can't say no to sex, ever. According to various hadiths and Sharia rulings, a wife must fulfill her husband's desires anytime he wants, otherwise risk divine wrath and angels cursing her all night. Because consent is for suckers and nothing respects a woman's autonomy like turning her body into an on-demand service station. Feeling tired, sick, or just not in the mood? Islam doesn't care, lady. You need to serve your husband as per Sahih Muslim, Book 8, Hadith 387. To women and people everywhere, open your eyes to how cultural and religious norms can shape your perceptions. Challenge narratives that treat women as property or lesser. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more eye-opening videos.